Have you ever wanted to be on the ground floor of a development? Like if you are the person that is the dreamer and the visionary, well, I have got the perfect place for you in Aledo, Texas. Welcome to Kelly Ranch. What you see right now is a massive ranch, but what you don't see is that development on Section 1 Rio Vista is in full swing. We're talking luxury homes at base level pricing. And while you don't see it yet, the master plan for this community features a golf course, a clubhouse with pool, sport courts, and workout facilities. In addition, there will be hiking and biking trails and a recreational lake with fishing. The Rio Vista Amenities will include gated entrance, fiber internet, front yard mowing, 8 acres of park space, and eventually the clubhouse. So why Aledo, you ask? Aledo has a population of about 4,000 residents, offering a close-knit community environment. Aledo, Texas is such a cute town. There are so many small businesses, from boutiques to little restaurants, and even my favorite Fort Worth restaurant that just put up their newest location in Aledo. Despite its small size, Aledo has garnered national attention for its exceptional A-rated school system. Schools don't get rated based on their football teams, but if they were, the Aledo Bearcats would be the poster team for Friday Night Lights. This town nearly revolves around it. While currently there is just one high school housing the famous Aledo Bearcats, the town is growing so rapidly with new construction homes that another one is set to open in the next 2 years. Which is why Kelly Ranch is so exciting, because not only does it go to Aledo schools, but it's the most luxury thing that Aledo has seen yet. We already have seen neighborhoods like Walsh Ranch and Morningstar and parks of Aledo take off and increase in value tremendously since being built. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about Aledo, Texas, well then hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you are the first to know everything that's going on around Fort Worth, Texas. Here's the truth about new construction neighborhoods. The first ones in get it the cheapest because they're the ones who have to live without the amenities for a while and with construction going on around them as more houses go up. The good news is they also stand to gain the most equity. I can remember in Walsh when you could get an average size home under $400,000. Now you're lucky to get one under $700,000, and that's used. So let's check out who's building in Kelly Ranch in Aledo now. This first house we're looking at is built by Pyvot Homes. Pyvot is a new company started by a few builders with decades of experience in new home construction. They build a really modern style house. Their architecture is actually unique, which is hard to pull off these days. It seems like every home I go into looks almost identical with the exception of finish outs and ceiling height. They have 3-car garages, 12-foot ceilings, Bosch kitchen appliances, oversized covered patios, large windows, sliding doors, foam insulation, an insulated office. Okay, so what you saw so far in this house is off of the entry, there's a bedroom and a bathroom and an office that's insulated, sort of kind of like a Zoom room, as I've talked about in previous models. That's a bar right there. And of course, you've got a fireplace in the living room with the kitchen behind me that we already saw. This is the primary bedroom. Again, tall ceilings, goes into the primary bath. All of it is probably hard to imagine, but you can go straight to their website and see all of the full renderings, and they're super cool. Okay, now we're gonna go upstairs. There is this landing game room area. I love all the natural light. And then off of here is a hallway with full bath, 2 bedrooms. So overall, it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house, kitchen, living, office, huge patio in the Rio Vista edition of Kelly Ranch. I'd love to hear in the comments what you think this home should be listed for, and then I'll share at the end what this home is actually listed at. All right, so here is another one from Pyvot Homes. We're gonna walk in, do a little tour, and then at the end, I'll tell you the price difference on the two. Of course, their signature high ceilings. On this one, you walk in and you've got bedroom, closet, full bath right there. Walk across the hall, and here is the entrance to the laundry room. Three-car garage. And another bath and another bedroom. This is a one-story house. Again, big open living area with kitchen, big porch. This is the little Zoom room I was talking about that's insulated. Okay, so here is the primary bath and then the primary bedroom, which is behind that fireplace that we saw on the other side of the wall. Okay, now it's time to reveal what the price is of these homes. To get in at that entry level, the very first home coming in at 3,200 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath is $959,000. Coming in at 2,300 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath is $769,000. Tell me what you think. Is it priced how you thought it would be? Do you feel like it's a great price? Let's hear in the comments below, and you can contact me anytime.
Hey, I am Debbie Burke. If you would like to contact me, I am embarrassingly easy to find. All of my contact details are in the description box. I would love to help you take this journey towards Texas. I'll see y'all next time.